What's up, everyone? This is Ryan here. Today I'm doing a talking video on the Arrma mojave ground brushless 3S. I really hope some point we get used again this year for 2026 season, because I really want to play this thing so bad right now. It's not even funny, you can see, because the last says this thing got used ever since February. So we're saying for 3 months. So I hope you see, because as you can see, it just doesn't steal. You can see. But the problem, the part that's in there, you can see the steering is dead. You see, I had no power on the steering whatsoever. You see, I don't know if the motor's probably dead or something like this. But you see, it's just been sitting for like months. You see, and you can see that the body is starting to get some cracks right here. You see this one down. There's a dent here. There's the stickers are kind of peeling off. And you see, and underneath you can see it's that testy cut that I have not cleaned off yet. Because it's like this machine, so it will get used again. This I hope at some point this will get fixed this year for 2026 season, which I really hope some point I'll get this thing used again this year before summer hits. You see, which I really hope some point will get used again this year, because it's like this machine's been used almost like every single time a little bit. Because it's like this machine because it's like this machine's been used almost a couple of times. You see, which is it's a very nice looking machine in my opinion, but it's definitely looks on pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. So it will get used again this year, like for 2026 season, which I hope at some point will get used again this year, as you see, because this thing right here, as you can see, it's really good at driving it, because I use it to drive on ice, and it does a good job with it, but it crashes every time you use this machine, but it's not that bad, in my opinion, you see, it's like this machine. So I promise you this thing that will be used again this year, and I hope this thing will get fixed this year, because I really want to drive this thing so bad right now. It's not funny on you, see, so I really hope so this thing will get fixed this year for 2026 season. And I hope at some point it will get fixed this year, because I really want to drive this thing so bad right now, because I really want to drive this thing in this year, so I really hope at some point this thing will get used again this year.